हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपके पसंदीदा चैनल व्हाइट बोर्ड पर। आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम वी आर हेयर टू सॉल्व अगेन सम मैथ्स प्रॉब्लम। तो आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 14.1 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन कहता है अ सर्वे वाज कंडक्टेड बाय अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एज पार्ट ऑफ देयर एनवायरनमेंट अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. तो हमें एक टेबल दी हुई है in which number of plants and number of houses are given. तो टेबल में रेंज है 0 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. And the number of houses in these range of plants 1, 2, 1, 5, 6 to 3. There are total 20 houses that is given in the question also. Now, which method did you use for finding the mean and why? जैसा कि हमने अपनी पिछली क्लास में पढ़ा था कि we have three methods for finding the mean: direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. So here we will use direct method because the numbers given in class intervals and also the number given in frequency table is very small. That's why we use direct method because the calculation is so simple here. Now I rub the board and meanwhile you will just note down the question. First of all, we found out the class mark. The class mark which is given as upper limit plus lower limit, that is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So in this question we have given a class interval. So we will first of all find the class mark, that is denoted by xi. Frequency is given, number of houses, that is fi. Now we make a table and continue with that part. So first of all, if you find the class mark of first interval, then that is 0 plus 2 upon 2. This will be equal to 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. In a similar way, we can find the class mark of other intervals. Now we will make the table and solve the question. Now we take number of plants and number of houses. A number of houses that is denoted by fi, and here we find the class mark that is denoted by xi, and here we find out fi xi, that is the product of frequency and class mark. This is like 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. And the frequency is given as 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2 and 3. Now class mark is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Now we find out fi xi. That will equal to 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 multiply 3 equal to 6, 1 multiply 5 that is equal to 5, 5 multiply 7 that is equal to 35, 6 multiply 9 equal to 54, 2 multiply 11 equal to 22, 3 multiply 13 that is equal to 39. Now we find out total. Here the total of frequency is 20, that is also given in question, and the total of this is we have 162. Now we have completed the table in which the given data is from the question. In the table we find out the total of Fi Xi and the total of Fi. Now by using the direct method we will find out the mean of this question. Now I rub the board and you will just note it down by using direct method. You find mean x bar equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi, and this will equal to 162 divided by 20. On dividing we will get 8.1. This is the required answer of our question. Here we use direct method because the values are very small. That's why we use direct method. In direct method the formula for mean is, that is x bar equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. Here we use this method due to the small value of class marks, class intervals and the frequency. In the next video we will come with the next method to find out the mean, or we will come up with some another method or some another topic. Thank you. Bye bye.